Hello everyone, this one is the typewriter Olympia SM-7. It's from Olympia, a very old German producer of typewriters. It comes in its suitcase with a blocking mechanism on the basement. They started the production of typewriters in 1903 and became a very big producer. I don't know why the name is SM. Since it's German, maybe it stands for Schreibmaschinen, typewriter in German. The Olympia factory was originally located in Erfurt. After the war, this became the Soviet zone of Germany. The employees of the Erfurt factory then fled to West Germany, producing typewriters under the temporary name Orbis. Meanwhile, the production continued in Erfurt under the name Optima. After some legal issues, the plant in West Germany took the name of Olympia and continued producing typewriters. In the manual they say that the use of Olympia is the easiest thing imaginable. I think it's a little exaggerated, but it's a good typewriter with standard functions. Let's start from the keyboard. I like the very big letters, very easy to see. The shift buttons, left and right, are in a relaxing blue or green color. There is the space bar and the backspace. It's interesting that the arrow on the button is the opposite of how it is now in the computer keyboards. Here indicates the direction of the movement of the carriage. As usual, is missing the 1 and 0, and you have to use the I and O instead. There is the FR button. It seems a kind of French keyboard. This lever here is a blocking mechanism to be used during transportation. You see, now the carriage is blocked in the middle. This is the color selector. It seems a French flag. These are the margins. Very smooth movement. And this is the margin bypass. I don't know why there are 4 dots to indicate it. This is the interline, 1, 2, 3 or 4 lines. And also a blank position, if you want to go back on the same writing line. On the right of the roller there is a button for the variable spacing alignment. But you can do the same also with the left knob. Simply you pull it instead of pushing. With these levers you move the carriage. And with the lever on the right you can adjust the paper. Here on the right there is also an interesting button, pay attention. Here the paper holder. Isn't it nice? I could play this for hours. And now the tabulator. With this button you use the tabulator. With this lever you cancel all the tabulator stop. With this button you set a new tabulator stop. And with this button you cancel a single stop. And this is the bell mechanism. It's always very beautiful. The cover is removable. This is the mechanism for reversing the direction of the ribbon. It's an automatic system, but you can do also manually. And with this lever you can regulate the tension of the keys, more or less pressure. There is a hole in the paper mask here. You can use it to draw vertical or horizontal lines with a pen, like this. That's all. I think it's a good typewriter with a beautiful shape. I think it's kind of difficult to put again on the typewriter on its blocks in the suitcase. If you like the Olympia typewriters, you can also watch this video on the Olympia model Monica, similar to this one, but with a much more sexy name. Have a nice day.